So we are doing the problems on gratuity, commuted pension, leave encashment, etc. The last video I have completed 4 problems on how to find out the tax on gratuity received by the employee at the time of retirement. In this video, continuation is there from 5th problem onwards. So don't join in between. If you have not watched the earlier videos, definitely you cannot be able to understand this. So go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject income tax for the assessment year 21-22. Watch the video on problems on gratuity, commuted pension, last video. Then come to this video. So before starting the next video, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. Take a screenshot of the solution, then I'll explain all the points. Come on, see the 5th problem. Sri Akshit Reddy is a marketing manager with Wonderworld company, means non-government employee. He retired during the previous year after serving for 15 years and got 6 lakh as gratuity. His basic pay during the previous year was 32,600 for the first 5 months and 39,500 for the last 7 months. So before retirement, 1 year salary is given. So for 12 months salary, first 5 months he was getting salary at 32,600, first 5 months. Then remaining 7 months, he got the salary of 39,500. And dearness allowance 2,500 for first 5 months and 3,050 for the next 7 months. That means at the time of retirement, he was getting DA of 3,050. And at the time of retirement, he was getting a basic pay of 39,500. 50% of DA enters for superannuation benefit, means retirement benefit. 50% of DA entering, remaining 50% not entering. Calculate the taxable amount of gratuity in the following cases if he is not governed by the Payment of Gratuity Act, first case. Second case, if he is governed by Payment of Gratuity Act. 2 different cases. We have to find out the taxable amount of gratuity. That is the problem. Right? So, first of all, the SSC is a non-government employee and the SSC is not governed by Payment of Gratuity Act. 2 cases are there. First case, not governed. The basic calculations, calculating last 10 months average salary. This is a little bit difficult. Concentrate here. For calculating the average salary, we need the average of the last 10 months before retirement. So before retirement, for 1 year, salary and DA is given. 1 year means first 5 months, next 7 months. So what we take is, we don't require 12 months. We want only 10 months. So immediately before retirement, 7 months, and before that 3 months. So 7 months and 3 months, it will be equal to 10 months. That's what 10 months basic and 10 month D. Right? First of all, 7 months. Immediately before retirement, 7 months, he was getting monthly salary of 39,500. It is given in the problem. 7 months. So 39,500 into 7 months, 2,76,500. Now we need for 10 months. So 7 months we have taken. Still 3 months more we have to take. That 3 months salary will be 32,600 because it is given in the problem. First 5 months, second 7 months are given. Second 7 months we have taken. So before that 5 months are given, but we don't require 5 months. We want only 3 months. So 3 months into 32,600, it comes to 97,800. Similarly, we have to calculate for DA. DA is given 2,500 for first 5 months. And 3,050 for the next 7 months. But the complete DA is not entering for retirement benefit. Only 50% DA is entering. Right? So last 7 months, he was getting DA of 3,050. 3050. 3,050. Yes. But we don't require 3,050. Half of 3,050. Half of 3,050, it comes to 1,525. So 7 months into 1525, half of DA, it comes to 10,675. Before that, he was getting DA 2,500. So half of 2,500, 1,250. So 1,250 into 3 months, it comes to 3,750. So this is the 7 months DA and 3 months DA, right? Total DA is 14,420. So if you add up the basic 3,74,300 and DA is 14,425, total of basic plus DA 3,88,725. This is the 10 months, but we want average. Average means divided by 10. 3,88,725 divided by 10, 38,872.5. This is the average salary of the last 10 months before retirement. Now calculating number of years of service. It is directly given 15 years, no fraction, nothing, only 15 years. Calculating the exempted amount. Least of the following three amount is exempted. First one, actual gratuity receipt. The actual gratuity receipt 6 lakh. Now, half month average salary into number of years of service completed. What is the monthly average salary? 38,872.5 is the monthly average salary into half. Into how many years of service completed? 15 years. So if you multiply half into 38,872.5 into 15, 2,91,544. This is the second amount. Third amount is the fixed ceiling given by the Income Tax Act, 20 lakh. The least of these three is 2,91,544 is the least, that is the exempted gratuity. Exempted gratuity 2,91,544. But we want the taxable gratuity. The actual gratuity received is 6 lakh minus exempted gratuity is 2,91,544. Deduct, you will get 308,456. This is the taxable gratuity. That's it. Taxable gratuity. First case completed, where the SSC is not governed by Gratuity Act. Second case, where the SSC is governed by Payment of Gratuity Act. Again, we need some calculations. Salary. Calculating the salary last drawn. The meaning of salary will change from not governed and governed. Here, not governed, we take the salary means salary plus DA if it enters for retirement benefit, and we take the average salary. Here, we don't require average. We want the basic and DA of the retiring month. We should not see whether DA is entering or not entering. Whatever DA he received at the time of retirement, that should be taken. So basic salary was 39,500 at the time of retirement and DA was 3,050 at the time of retirement. So add up, 42,550 is the salary. Now 15 days salary. So whatever salary is there, 42,550 into 15 by 26. Already I have discussed this in the theory video. 15 by 26. So it comes to 24,548. This is the 15 days salary. Number of years of service completed or a part thereof in excess of 6 months. But we don't have any fraction. Only 15 years are given. Directly we have taken. Now calculating the exempted amount. Least of the following three amount is exempted. First one, actual gratuity received is 6 lakh. 15 days salary into number of years of service completed. 15 days salary 24,548. Number of years 15. Multiply both, you will get 3,68,220. Fixed amount is 20 lakh. The 20 lakh rupees is fixed whether governed or not governed. Both cases 20 lakh. The least is 3,68,220 is the least. That is the exempted gratuity. But we require taxable gratuity. The actual gratuity received 6 lakh. Less exempted gratuity 368,220. So taxable gratuity 2,31,780. That's it. This is the end of problem number 5. Now see the problem number 6. Mr. Vardhan retired from Indian Army services in 2001-2002. Very long back. Previous year and received 1,40,000 as gratuity. So during the previous year 2001-2002, he was retired from Indian Army services, government employee, and he got a gratuity of 1,40,000. Already we have discussed gratuity received at the time of retirement by government employee fully exempted. So he already got gratuity exemption of 1,40,000 in the year 2001-2002. After 2 months, he joined in a limited company as a chief security officer. Retiring from Indian Army, within 2 months he got a job in a non-government organization as chief security officer. During the previous year 2021, current previous year, he retired from the service of the limited company and received 25,60,000 as gratuity under the Payment of Gratuity Act. The current previous year, he has received 25,60,000 as gratuity. Now, calculate the tax liability. One thing is there. For calculating the taxable gratuity, we need the detail regarding salary, number of years of service completed. Nothing is given. Salary from the present employer not given. How many years of service years completed not given. So calculate tax liability for the current assessment year 21-22 if income from salary and other heads excluding gratuity received is 7,54,000. So in this problem, we have to calculate the tax liability for the current assessment year. He is having other income 7,54,000 excluding gratuity. We have to find out how much is the taxable gratuity, right? Now, according to the provisions of Income Tax Act, the maximum limit of exempted gratuity is 20 lakh, not more than 20 lakh. Not more than 20 lakh is exempted, maximum limit 20 lakh. Out of 20 lakh, already he has availed the exempted gratuity of 1,40,000 during the year 2001-2002. The Income Tax Act says already you have availed exemption of 1,40,000. So we will not give exemption again for 1,40,000. So from 20 lakh, deduct 1,40,000. Deduct 1,40,000. So whatever amount is there, that much exemption will be given during the current year. So here you can see Mr. Vardhan. Presently the SSC is a non-government employee and is governed by Payment of Gratuity Act. Details of salary are not given. We have to make an assumption that he is entitled to claim exemption up to the minimum limit. Whatever is the limit, that only he can be able to avail. So present maximum limit of exemption 20 lakh. 20 lakh rupees is the maximum exemption, out of which already he has availed the exemption 1,40,000. Deduct. So 18,60,000 is the present exemption available for gratuity. Present exemption available. The actual amount received is 25,60,000 is the total gratuity received during the current year. From that exempted amount 18,60,000 deduct, so 7 lakh rupees is the taxable gratuity for the current year. Taxable gratuity. Income from salary and other heads 7,54,000 given in the last line of the problem. Salary and from other heads excluding gratuity. Now taxable gratuity how much? 7 lakh. So 7,54,000 plus 7 lakh. 14,54,000 is the current previous year's total income. On this current previous year's total income, we have to compute the tax liability. Now, it is not given the SSC is non-senior. Non-senior to ho hi nahi sakta. It is not. He is a senior citizen. His age is above 60 years because he has already served in Indian Army service. He was retired from there, and within 2 months he joined in private company, and he has served from 2001-2002 to 2020-21. So already he might have crossed 60 years. He will be called senior citizen. For senior citizen, the basic exemption limit is 3 lakh. So computation of tax liability slab up to 3 lakh rupees basic exemption for senior citizen. 3 lakh income nil. From 3 lakh 1 to 5 lakh. 3 lakh 1 rupee to 5 lakh. 2 lakh rupees is the income. 5% tax 10,000. Then 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh. Next slab 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh. 5 lakh is the income. 20% 1 lakh. Now balance. Over 10 lakh rupees 30% is the rate of tax. What is the total income? 14 lakh 54. From 14 lakh 54 deduct 3 lakh, deduct 2 lakh, deduct 5 lakh. So total 10 lakh rupees you deduct. So 4 lakh 54,000 is the balance on which 30% is the rate of tax. It comes to 1,36,200. Take the total of the tax, it comes to 2,46,200. This is the tax on total income. On this tax on total income, add health and education cess 4%. It comes to 9,848. Add up, you'll get 2,56,048. Now you round it off to the next 10 rupees. So 48 ke baja we can take 50. So 2,56,050 is the rounded off tax liability of the SSC. That's it. This is the end of problem number 6. Now, problem number 7. Sri Jagat Chandrudu is working in 2 establishments and where the Payment of Gratuity Act provisions are not applicable. So presently, the SSC is working in 2 organizations, 2 employers, and both cases not governed by Payment of Gratuity Act. On 30th June 2020, current previous year, he retired from both the establishments after serving 20 and 25 years respectively. In the first organization, he served 20 years. Second organization, he served 25 years. Last salary drawn is rupees 40,000 and 72,000 per month. So first organization 40,000 per month. Second organization 72,000 per month. On the eve of his retirement, he received 10 lakh and 14 lakh 10,000 as gratuity from 2 establishments. He got gratuity from first organization and also second organization. So total gratuity received is 10 lakh plus 14 lakh 10,000, 24 lakh 10,000 total gratuity received. Calculate the taxable amount of gratuity. How much gratuity is taxed? Whether the worker is working with one organization or more than one organization, the maximum limit is 20 lakh. He will get exemption, gratuity exemption for a maximum limit of 20 lakh. It is not that first organization 20 lakh, second organization 20 lakh will not be given. Only maximum is 20. If the SSC is working with more than one employer, then the aggregate of the exemption is limited to 20 lakh only. To calculate the exemption, salary of 2 establishments should be added. Now, calculating average salary. When the organization is not governed by Payment of Gratuity Act, we need average salary, half month average salary. But we don't have the details of the past 10 months average salary. So whatever salary last drawn, that only will take. So how much is the salary last drawn? 40,000 salary in the first organization, 72,000 salary in the second organization. Calculating number of years of service completed. It is given 20 years completed in the first organization, 25 years in the second organization. Calculating the exemption, the least of the following 3 will be allowed as exemption. First one, actual gratuity receipt. Combine. 10 lakh from first organization, 14 lakh 10,000 from second organization, total is 24 lakh 10,000 is the total gratuity received from both the organization. Now, second, half month average salary into number of years of service completed. Here we should take both. First of all, first organization. What is the salary of the first organization? 40,000. Half into half month we require 40,000 into half. How many years of service he has done in first organization? 20 years. So 40,000 into 1/2 into 20, you will get 4 lakh rupees, right? Plus second organization salary was 72,000. So 72,000 into half into 25 years of service he has done in second organization. So 72,000 into half into 25, 9 lakh. So 4 lakh plus 9 lakh is 13 lakh, second amount. Third amount, fixed amount is 20 lakh. That is a ceiling. So what is the minimum among these 3? 13 lakh rupees is the minimum. So exempted gratuity is 13 lakh. Now we require taxable gratuity. So what is the total gratuity received? 24 lakh 10,000 is the total gratuity received. Minus exempted gratuity 13 lakh. So 24 lakh 10,000 minus 13 lakh 10,000 you get 11 lakh 10,000. 11 lakh 10,000 is the taxable gratuity. That's it. So in this video I have completed 3 problems, 5, 6 and 7. Inshallah, we'll continue the next problem in the next video.